Hello. Today we're going to be talking about this item in front of you, the Venom PVC DIORAMA. It's from Marvel. It's the Gallery DIORAMA, and it's a very nice figure. This is the only figure I've seen of Venom where he's kind of breaking out from Eddie Brock. So I definitely want to just share this with everybody. I'm going to be letting you know what the price is, where you can get it, and also just taking it out of the box so you guys can take a look at it. Now, before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, the red button, that'd be great. I'm trying to build my subscriber base. Also, leave me comments if you like, and let me know if you have one of these, you know, what you think about it. Also, if I've added value with the video to you, please hit the like button. So let's get started. So this is the back of it. There's the side, as I can say. It's actually a lot of glare. And then there's the front of it right there, as you can see. It's pretty awesome. This is the other side of it. So let me just take it out. So these are your Diamond Select toys that makes these. So they're actually PVC figures. They're not actual resin. Alright, so I'm taking it out right now. I just want to show everybody. So a bit about Venom, you know, he made his first appearance, actually, if you're a comic book geek, as in Spider-Man number 298, and then 300 was his full appearance. It was drawn by the very good artist, Todd McFarlane. Not sure if you guys heard of him, but he's the guy that actually works on Spawn. He drew Spawn. And he also collected the Mark McGuire home run balls from before. There's just a bit of history there. So this is a PVC DIORAMA. The Venom symbiote was acquired by Spider-Man on a distant planet. I think that was back in the Secret Wars comic, if I recall, if I read. And then worn as a simple costume until the hero realized it possessed intelligence. Yeah, I think when I read the graphic novel, that's how it came from, if I recall it. The symbiote bonded with the disgraced photographer Eddie Brock after that. And then Eddie Brock, who has also had a grudge against Peter Parker. At first, the pair sought revenge on Spider-Man, but later they attempted to become heroes until they were eventually separated. Each would go up to their bond would offer different human symbiote partners, but they were always destined to be reunited. So this Marvel Gallery PVC DIORAMA Venom is based on his appearance in Marvel Comic. It is made of a high-grade material and features detail sculpting and paint applications. It's designed by Caesar, sculpted by Alterton. So I just want to put that out there just to give credit to the people who actually came out with this figure. I thought it was a very unique figure. I mean, where else can you find a figure that actually has Venom looking like this, where he's popping? You know, it's just coming off of Eddie Brock. So as you can see right here, it's a pretty, really cool figure. Let me just take the figure out, actually. Thank you. So then, you know, when you take it out of the box, you get this thing too. This piece right here is actually kind of like a card. So it's kind of like a business reply mail to Diamond Select Toys in the Hunt Valley, Maryland. So I'm just put this to the side. All right. So once again, this is Venom. It's really nice. So as you can see, this figure right here, this is the front of it. This is the bottom of it. It's kind of hollow down here on the platform. There's a side of it. It's really nice. Back of it, and the other side of it. So I mean, you know, this figure is so unique because, you know, how often can you get Venom where he's breaking out of Eddie Brock? It's just very unique, right? Just the face. Look at that face. I mean, you know, just Venom coming off the mask. Just this side right here looks really cool. So where can you get this figure? You can actually get it probably on online. I mean, that's where I purchased mine because you know, they were selling it at GameStop. But the thing is that they just sold out. So I got it online at eBay. I think I paid probably like $50 for this. So that's how much I paid. It's probably gone up now because I bought it before Venom Let There Be Carnage, the movie. But it's probably gone up now. I mean, you know, this figure is very unique. I just had to get it because it's just so unique. But I'm happy with it. I mean, it's very unique to figure. Yeah, it's probably not as great as the resin ones, but still, it's not bad. Just this figure, it's just kind of heavy. It's not like it's really light. It's not like it's plastic. So all in all, I'm happy with it. I just want to share with everybody because I think this is a very unique figure. It's a really cool figure. As you can see, it's actually from a comic book. So, you know, hopefully sharing with you guys a bit about this is just some history about Venom. And just, you know, hopefully you guys like it. Yeah, let me know if I've added value to you with this video. Feel free to leave me a like. And also feel free to leave me comments. Let me know what you think. And then also if you can subscribe, that would be awesome. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I look forward to your comments. Take care. See you then.